Hey guys, welcome to my 20th Century Fox Bloopers. Okay, first take, action. Dun 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 dun. Bum ba-dum 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 bum ba-dum 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 bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum. Cut. Where is the 20th Century Fox? Because it's so funny that they make the 20th Century Fox disappear. It's not funny. Okay, next take. Action. Wait. Action. Do 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 do. Bum ba-dum 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 bum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum. Cut. Where's the yellow thing for the fox? 20th Century Fox. And why are they like moved by what? 2008 logo designs. Dum 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 bum ba-dum 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 bum ba-dum bum ba-dum. Cut again. Why does it say 2008 logo designs? It's not funny, Isaac. Stop. Okay, fine. Okay, next take. Action. Bum 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 bum. Dun da dun da 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 dun da dun dun da 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 dun da da dun da 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 dun dun da dun da da dun 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 dun. Cut. What does it say, 20th Century Fox? But without those, like, the whole structure. It's not funny, Isaac. Please. Okay, next take. Action. Do 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 do. Bum bum. Cut. Why does it say 20th Century Fox? Too much letters. Because I wanted to be like that. It's not funny. Next take. Action. Wait. Next take. Action. Doom 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 doom. Bum 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 bum. Cut. What does it say? 20th Mixcraft 8 Fox, and it says home entertainment right here because it's so funny with the 20th Mixcraft 8 Fox. It's not funny. Stop it, please, Isaac. Okay, we're almost there to the end, so I hope I better see the correct one. Okay, next take. Action. Doom 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 doom. Bum ba-dum 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 bum ba-dum 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 bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum. Cut. Why does the Century say in pencil edition, and why there are no lights? Because it's more funnier. It's not funny. Okay, okay. I better get this right. Okay. So, real life, I'm at 3D warehouse. This app is called SketchUp. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. Cut. What does it say? 20? Because I like it more like that. I like it more than 20th Century Fox. It's not funny. Stop, please. Next take. Action. Next take. Action. Dum 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 dum. Dum dum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum ba-dum. Cut. Why is the 20th the biggest part of the letters, and why is there no ground and still no lights? It's still in the longer letters edition. It's not funny, Isaac. Please stop this time. Okay. Okay, next take. Action. Bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. Cut. Why is the 20th Century Fox are flat? And why is this structure more like a cube? Because I want it, because I like it more like that. It's not funny. Stop. Okay. Next take. Action. Do 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 dum. Bum ba-dum 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 bum ba-dum 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 bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum. Cut. What does it say, Fox Network? And why is it? Why? Where's the network sign? And it's only saying Fox. Because I like it more. Oh my God, stop with your funny and bad jokes, Isaac. Next take. Okay. Next take. Action. Do 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 do. Bum ba-dum 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 bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum. Cut. Oh, there's another one. Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum. Cut. Why is there no lights right here, and why in this one it's 2D? Okay. Because I like those. Oh my God. Okay. Next take. Action. Dum 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 dum. Bum ba-dum 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 bum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum bum. Cut. Why does it say 20th Century Fox without, without the structure? It's not funny, Isaac. Okay, 2 more takes. Then I hope the last one is correct. I better hope so, because if not, then I'm gonna get you. Okay. Next take. Wait, just hold on. Okay, next take. Action. Bum 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 ba-dum 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 ba-dum. Cut. Why is the O so small, and why is the 20th so big? Because I like it more like that. Stop it, Isaac. Okay, this next take, and then that's gonna be the last take. So I hope you'll get it correct after this one. Okay, whatever. Just stop. Okay, but I hope you stop with your jokes. Okay. Next take, action. Dum 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 dum. Bum ba-dum 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 ba-dum. Cut. Why does it say 20th Century Fox in red letters? And it's the devil edition. Because I like it more like that. My favorite color is red. Yay! Oh my god. Okay. This is gonna be the last take. So I hope you'll get this one. So if you don't get this correct, you're gonna get it. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think this one's too strong. Wait, hold on. Last take. Action. Dum 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 dum. Bum ba-dum 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 bum ba-dum 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 bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum bum ba-dum bum. Good job, Isaac. Keep it up. Congratulations. You have done it. Yahoo! Yes, we finally got this. Congratulations, Isaac. You have successfully finished your work. Okay, bye guys for the next bloopers video.